Hello guys, welcome to LS Maths Express LS Scholars. I am David Graham Sumiamo, or you can call me Professor Lam Kolam. Professor Lam Kolam, I am the current CEO and the principal of Maths Express LS Academy. We are based in Turkana University. Currently, we are based in Turkana University, but that doesn't mean that is our permanent center. We can work, if we can get any approach, we can work to every part of Kenya, every part of the country, or any part of the world. So, subscribe, follow, like, and share our channel. Today, let's talk about tips on how to pass mathematics. Many times, many of you are really failed because of mathematics, especially in the lower schools and also in the university. Here, typically, we're talking about the university level, where we have seen many of us doing supplementary exams and failing. At the same time, failing even academic supplementary exams. So, here are some of the study tips. Here are some of the study tips on how to pass mathematics. Number one, here we have understanding the basics. Understand the basics of mathematics. Make sure you have a strong foundation in basics maths. Make sure you have a strong foundation in basic mathematics. Number two, practice regularly. Search for questions. If you can search for many questions as long as possible, you will really enjoy mathematics and pass mathematics. My second year is going to be use of virtual aids. When we talk about use of virtual aids, what do I mean? When I say use of virtual maths problem using diagrams, it means use solve maths problem using diagrams, photographs, graphs, and many more. That is what I'm trying to say when I talk about the virtual aids. Break problem down. Breaking a problem down. If you want to pass mathematics, you are given a complex problem in study mathematics. Let me say, for example, calculus. And question you call product rule. Break the problem into steps. Break the complex problem into steps. We know that we shall be talking here about calculus, the steps you should follow in breaking the rules. Also seek help when needed. You have your professors, your lecturers. Try to seek help. Don't die alone. Try to seek help from your fellow students and also lecturers when needed, when you don't understand a certain topic. We are now going to talk about the test taking tips. Test take, when you want to take a test in mathematics, first read the equation carefully. Make sure you understand the equations. That's the first thing. Understand the equation carefully. Manage your time. Let's assume mathematics is 1 hour. You have to use that time properly. Just try to manage that time properly. Try to manage that time. Allocate time for each question based on its difficulty. Allocate time on each question based on its difficulty. If it is an easy question, take the shortest time. If it is a difficult question, breaking some problem to you, you can skip the question without solve the other question faster, some of the easiest one faster, and come later to that complex question. Number two, show your work. We as markers, me I am also a marker, I do not know. I have marked at the secondary level, so far I have marked so many maths questions. You will find a student, he or she has the correct answer, but she has not shown anything. She has the correct answer, but nothing she has shown. That one you can penalize, and that will going to be 0. Number two, check your answers. Check your answers in formula. Somebody can be having a correct formula, but wrong answer. That one is penalized. You can have a correct procedure, but wrong answer. That one can also be penalized in some cases. You can have correct answer, wrong procedure. That one is very penalized. is also penalized. So let us read question carefully and then that check your answers. That is very important. Let's talk about mindset tips. As a mathematician or as a student who is eager to learn mathematics, a student who is ready to learn mathematics, what should we expect in you? You have to stay positive. You have to stay positive. That is the first step. You must have a positive mindset. If you don't have a positive mindset towards mathematics, you can't pass totally. Try to love mathematics, practice a lot of vision, and then you will automatically pass. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. People make mistakes. You can fail in an exam. That doesn't mean you can fail in an exam or a test or a card. That is not the end of everything. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. People make mistakes. After failing, correct where necessary and proceed. Don't fear mathematics. Stay organized. Organize the mathematical rules. You must have a calculator, mathematical sets, correct pens, so that when the cut is already there, or the exam is already there, don't waste time when studying for these things. Celebrate small wins. When you have passed in a test, for example, in Cat 1, you got 40, Cat 2 you got 50, Cat 3 you got 60. Try to celebrate those wins. They will really encourage you as a student and you will really pass mathematics. Additional resources. Can you search for the additional resources? We have the online resources like our YouTube channel. You can follow us live on our YouTube channels. Study groups. Form small study groups as students in the universities and colleges. Try to form some small study groups that will help you. That groups especially will really help you. Tutoring. What do you mean when you talk about tutoring? Consider hiring a tutor or attending mass tutoring lessons to get personalized help. Like me, you can hire me as a tutor. If you don't understand a certain tip in mathematics, just sign on the lecture personally. You will really enjoy mathematics. Otherwise, guys, those are the tips on how to pass mathematics. We really appreciate you. Continue to subscribe to our channels, follow, like, and comment. Remember, you are our first priority. Otherwise,